From the end of 2015, IKEA is really proud to announce that 100% of our products are sourced from cotton from more sustainable sources. But the journey doesn't end there. We want to really ensure that we can trace back to the farm all the way through to the products that we sell in our stores.
How do you say that where does this cotton comes from?
We put the date stamp in the product. From the date stamp, we can trace all the way back to the group of farmers.
BCI's Better Cotton Initiative, it is basically a systematic way of doing the sustainable agriculture. IKEA is actually creator of a system where we follow a traceability guideline. We are asking the supply chain actor to maintain the traceability at each of every level of production. The ginning, spinning, weaving, processing and the end product manufacturer.
I worked with Better Cotton since 2008. I know how farmers' livelihood is growing higher and higher. They are very much satisfied with this concept. We can save water, we can save land, we can grow the betterment of the livelihood of the farmers and the supply chain. That's why I love work with Better Cotton.
We only purchase cotton from BCI approved ginners. Initially, we had some guidance from IKEA of how we need to maintain the traceability records, and we have maintained that ever since. There is no challenge as such. It has to be in a proper paperwork and we are doing that. We make sure that in the invoice copy that we receive, they have mentioned the lot number which goes for the traceability.
Traceability is part of a management system. You have the complete traceability or the operations better to understand about the quality aspects. When we hold product like Lenda or any other products that we make for IKEA, we are very happy about it because we see the complete process chain.
Apart from business and profits, it is better for ethics and sustainability. So I feel very happy that I'm able to also do my bit and contribute.
IKEA wants to transform the cotton industry, how we can really expand cotton from more sustainable sources, that it becomes a commodity for everyone.